Dumpster Rental Service in Jackson Township, New Jersey. If you're in need of a reliable dumpster rental service in Jackson Township, New Jersey, look no further than TSF Disposal. We provide a wide range of dumpster sizes to suit both residential and commercial projects, whether you're tackling a home renovation, a major cleanout, or a construction job. Our dumpsters are clean, well-maintained, and available for flexible rental periods to accommodate your schedule. From the moment you call, our knowledgeable team will assist in selecting the right dumpster size for your needs. We offer convenient, on-time delivery and pickup, ensuring your project runs smoothly without delays. With our competitive pricing, you get the best value for a dumpster rental in Jackson Township and surrounding areas. We ensure that all debris is properly sorted and recycled wherever possible, reducing landfill impact and promoting sustainability. Whether you're disposing of construction debris, household clutter, or landscaping waste, we handle it all with efficiency and care. For hassle-free, efficient dumpster rental service in Jackson Township, New Jersey, contact TSF Disposal today at 732-691-8102.